Well, we've got Jean in the day, 10:14 test. I like to pick them up 10 minutes early, but today I'm 10 minutes late because I thought it was 11:11, but it's the 10:14. Damn. How are you feeling?
Quite nervous.
Are you? Go on when you're ready. Been learning the questions?
Yeah.
Good. And can you demist the back window? Excellent. Turn it off. Demist the front. Turn it off. Sound the horn. Aggressive that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Open and close your window. Put your dip headlights on. That's it. And clean the front window, wash your wipers. Window washers and wipers. Do it towards you. Twist it towards you. That's it. See the middle mirror?
Yeah.
So you twist it, yeah? Zooming in that. Why did I think 11:11 for?
I think I thought it was 11:11 for like 2 months, and then I was like, "Have you got the email?" He's like, "I don't have the email," so I checked the email and it was 10:14.
Jumping half an hour of my pupils. That's everything planned. Yeah, I've got 11:11. Why is that? Why have we done that for? But it's definitely 10:14.
Definitely 10:14.
What are the parents here?
Good luck, and then I think my mum's trying to like jinx it the right way because she's like, only the good drivers fail the first time.
Turn it enough off. So all the good ones pass first time. All the good drivers pass second time.
I think she's
I've heard that
trying
one
to
before.
calm my nerves because
I don't want you being nervous, dear. I want you just reading the road. That's all I want. You, whoever sits beside you, is a really nice examiner, and he wants to pass you here.
Mm-hmm.
He wants to see that you can drive safely. If he says that, he will gladly give you the license. Yeah? So don't go and be nervous, because if you get nervous, your brain does not work, and then everything goes out the window. And you need to be calm, cool, and collective. You got that?
Yeah.
Drive like you can do, and the exam will be over the moon with you.
Yeah.
And then you can tell that dude on YouTube. What was it? Paul, I think it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Said she needed a miracle. No miracles to deal with this one. She's got some serious driving skills when she puts her mind to it. Now at the end of the road, turn left. Concentrate. Not lifted. Stop. Drive when you're ready. That blind spot. I'm going to do it again. I felt the reaction was a bit slow, wasn't it? Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any questions about it? Put it down a bit firmer, yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, a bit more gas. Just push it right to the floor and clutch it last second. It's a good technique, but just a bit of reaction slow. Stop. Thank you. That was really good. Well done. Drive on when you're ready. It'd feel safer running out in front of you, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good. Any questions about that?
No.
Yeah, well done. It's good, yeah? Got it?
Yeah.
Good technique. Well, how are you feeling, Jean? Time to go to the test centre.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Nervous, but
Nervous? So I'm starting to sweat here. Comes out and shouts your name out. Give him a nice big smile, yeah? You want to hope that he hasn't seen the video on YouTube. Plus he'll run back into the Tesla road. Because I'm not taking you. Turn left at the end of the road. Some of the examiners watch the videos. Shit, this is that Jane, I'm not taking that. Take the next right. She couldn't get out the second gear. Next right. They'll be looking for you. And take that. Now we want a business-like drive today, yeah? Go on, you guys. Make good progress when it's safe. Drive like an old granny when it's not. But don't go and drive like an old granny the day. I've sensed a little bit of that this morning. Being a bit too cautious. They're not looking for learner drivers. Turn right into the test centre. How are we going to get into there? Turn the wheel. Turn in. Just put your clutch down. How are we going to get into there? Right, back it out to the right. That's it. No, stop there. Drive forward a bit and then reversing on the right and reversing that next to the red car.
Pardon?
Just drive forward.
Sorry.
Go on, drive further forward. Further. Alright, then stop there, just put it in reverse. Reverse it in there.
Into the...
Yeah, go on, just reverse it in. And I want you reversing that next to the red car. Look all around first. Just put your clutch down, don't let it go fast, don't brake, just put your clutch down, straighten up. Now you see that right car over in your door mirror, look?
Yeah.
Just swing it in past there, yeah? Take it through. Do you know what I mean?
Sort of.
Keep looking all around. Just put your clutch down. Where do you think you're going to turn? And guide it in.
Like now?
Yeah, go on, just go with your instincts, go on. Don't look it. Look forward at this car, look. Come on, keep going back. That's it. Keep looking all around like an arm.
I think we're gonna...
It's alright. And then just straighten it up. Lovely. Well, it's time to wish Jane the very best of luck. She's got some lovely driving skills. She just needs to keep her calm and show the driving examiner what she can do.
Yeah.
Now go and run up them stairs. Go upstairs and he'll shout your name out. He'll say, do you want your train to come with you? Say no. He'll say, do you want a mirror at the end? Say yes. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Go and run up them stairs and go in the waiting room. I'll be out in a minute.
Okay.
Gene, what are you doing? Where are you going? That's the cafe. The driving that says go at the driving test and walk up them stairs, which is in a house. I'm looking on video here, and you've gone into the cafe. There's no driving exams in the cafe. They're all upstairs and in a house. You plonker. What was the name of that dude on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
What do you call it?
Paul or something.
Paul.
Yeah.
Paul! You said this young lady needed a miracle. Tell them what you've done, Jean.
I've passed with
Tell them how many faults.
no faults.
What a
That's wild.
star this one is. Whoa! Well done. The examiner was really happy, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was the examiner like?
It was super nice.
Was he?
Yeah.
He said to me, thank you very much for that. So she's obviously impressed our driving examiner. No minors, well done. You have the bragging rights over your friends, don't you?
Yeah.
Wow, how did you do that?
I have no idea.
Well, really good driver. Said she's a good driver. She just had to do it on the deer. Some lovely driving skills, this one. What manoeuvre did you do?
Reversing two
car lengths back.
2 car lengths back.
Did you do the emergency stop?
No.
It's only done one every 3 tests. Now, well done. What an amazing young lady. Damn. First time clean sheet. Wow. He says he doesn't get many of them, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, how do you feel?
Good. Very good.
Really good feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Well done. What are you going to tell? Who are you going to tell first?
Probably the parents, because I think they'll
Oh,
be
they're
at
in?
home. Yeah.
Well, we'll tell your parents and me they've got a special one here, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't want to take up your mum's driving skills, do you? Definitely not. I was walking up and down that path waiting for you coming back. You're one of the last ones back. Sweating like man, thinking, yes, you had. Oh, well done. What an amazing drive. Good stuff. Now remember, the best drivers keep learning, yeah? Very good. She's only had 36 hours, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So she's done really, really well. That's amazing now. And she didn't get any private practice. You did have a little bit in the electric car, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
How many hours?
I don't know. Not very many.
It wasn't a few or something, was it? Just a couple. I told her friends had much more practice than what she did. So, who was it? What was it called? Emma?
Emma and Izzy.
Emma was wicked. And who was the other one?
Izzy.
Izzy was really smooth. But out of the 3, well done. Well done. That's cheating me up there. Feeling the pain. Oh.